afternoon. Minor flooding is forecast. Where? Great Miami River at Troy. From this afternoon to early Thursday afternoon. At 13.5 feet, flooding occurs along County Road 25 south of Troy and Tip Elizabeth Road near Tip City. Additionally, property along the 1700 block of North County Road 25 also begins to flood. Within the levee-protected areas of Troy, structures are protected to a stage of 20 feet. At 10 a.m. Tuesday, the stage was 10.3 feet. The river is expected to rise above flood stage late this afternoon to a crest of 13.9 feet Wednesday morning. It will then fall below flood stage Thursday morning. Flood stage is 12 feet. Flood warning in effect from this evening to Wednesday morning. Minor flooding is forecast. Where? West Fork of Whitewater River at Alpine. From this evening to Wednesday morning. At 15.5 feet, flood water encroaches toward county roads, and flooding of low-lying agricultural land continues in Fayette and northern Franklin counties. At 10 a.m. Tuesday, the stage was 9.1 feet. The river is expected to rise above flood stage this evening to a crest of 15.6 feet this evening. It will then fall below flood stage early Wednesday morning. Flood stage is 14 feet.